Hi everyone! For today's project, we are going to make this high-end decor, a tray and flower vases. So let's begin our project. So what we needed are all this lid of fabric softener, and this one is actually head of a bottle. Okay, so I'm going to remove this part to stand to make it as a stand or legs of our tray. So I'm trying to remove this. Okay, it's kind of difficult. I'm trying to cut it off so that it saves us time, guys, because I don't want to bore you to death to show you the way I cut it. Actually struggle. Okay, let's put this aside. Actually, this is the lid also of a like all those biscuits and mooncake during Mid-Autumn Festival. They have Mid-Autumn Festival here, and some people they give you mooncakes, right? And after that, people just dump everything in the rubbish bin, to which I really feel so bad every time I pass by the rubbish bin and I see all this tin everywhere. Okay, and they don't even put in the recycling bin. They just dump everything everywhere. Okay, so guys, I'm showing you this. It's very easy to recycle our stuff and keep them instead of just dumping it everywhere. If you can, you don't need to use this ribbon, guys, because you can just say, oh yeah, you can make it so high. It's because you have all this stuff. Really, you don't need all this stuff. You can even use cloth. You can find a nice colored cloth like checkered stripes and just glue it in the side, or you can just paint it. Anything you can do it to make it look high end. Okay, I'm just showing you a classic example on how we can decorate our trash and turn them into a very beautiful decor. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gluing it all around this tin because I didn't paint it, guys. Like what I said, you can either paint it, you can wrap it with a nice wrapping paper, you can use cloth, nice color of any of your old cloth that you don't use anymore. you know, just giving you some tips or ideas, guys, on how we can actually recycle our rubbish. Okay, you see? Now it's done. Now let's put the legs. Okay, let's glue this on. Again, these are all the lid of a fabric softener, guys. Okay, I took off the lid, I spray painted it in black, and then I removed the uh, some of the parts so that it stands as the legs of this tray, and the body part of the fabric softener bottle. I made something out of it, and I'm going to show you on to my next project. So that's it. This is done, guys. Look, who could tell that this is actually a lid of that mooncake tin. Okay, and now this plastic that I'm trying to wrap is actually a bottle of a yogurt. I took off the how do you call that, the labels. There's wrapper on top with the name and the label of this yogurt. I took it off and washed it properly, and then I cut it off the top parts of it. And now I'm trying to put this ribbon to make it more elegant. Again, guys, you don't have to have the same ribbon. You can even use sequins if you have. You can use anything, guys. Wrapping paper. You can use cloth. Anything. You can even use how do you call that? Is it rope or I forgot the name of that. But you can use anything. Just to decorate your stuff so that it doesn't look so obvious. You can even draw on it with um, the Parker, not Parker, marker, the permanent marker, any color that you like, and you can just draw it a flower or whatever you like. Really, you don't need to spend a lot of money for your home decor. I mean, of course, you just have to spin a bit of your hot glue gun. Once you have that, then that's it. You can do all sorts of project, and it's not really that expensive. The hot glue gun, and you can make a lot of stuff. Your home decoration, guys, for investing into your glue gun. And it's next to nothing actually, and you can make a lot of things when you have your glue gun, just like me. You just have your glue gun, cutter, scissor, and that's it. You can have some cloth that you don't use anymore, and you know you can just make good use of it. And there you go. Look at that, it's really nice. And this one is actually the top of the flower vase that I just made, but I spray painted in black while I spray paint those legs of this tray. So I took that. It's just an experiment and it came out quite nice. So now I'm putting this pearl. It's also is a leftover from one of my project before. It's long time ago, guys. Just even before I start doing my channel for my DIY, I start doing some sorts of, DIYs as well. And yeah, these are all my leftover. I don't throw things away because I like to recycle them. I really do, because I this is one of the reason why I made my channel, guys, is because I like to inspire people to recycle their rubbish. I really hate people, like every time I pass by the rubbish bin, it really breaks my heart. So this one is just trying to encourage people to recycle their stuff and make their home really nice. So this is it, you see? Now let's put one at the bottom so it doesn't look so obvious that this is actually top of a bottle, to make it more really like high end. That's it. See? Now let's put some flour and we can see. And this is our tray, guys. You see? Who could tell that this is actually the lid of a, biscuit or moon cake? Okay. You can put sweets on it, right? Or can put fruits on it, because this is actually very sturdy. You can even stand on it, honestly. That's how sturdy it is. And it looks really nice. And this is the outcome, guys. You can see. You look at that top of this bottle. It doesn't look like a top of a bottle, is it? It's really nice and cute. I mean, I find it really elegant. This one. See? And that one I didn't paint it, guys, is because I like the look of the white color, the smoky kind of white. It doesn't really look like plasticky. It blends with my candle, the color. So that's the reason why I didn't paint it. You see? It blends with my candle, is it? It doesn't look like a plastic, really. It's like a smoky glass, the look of it. So that's the reason why I just keep it like that. I mean, you can paint it, you can put any color that you like, guys, but it's just for me, it's my preference. Again, you can do whatever you want with your decoration. And that's the wrap up of our project, guys. And once again, thank you very much for watching. I see you again next time. Bye bye.